Hello, kids. One day, the colors of the rainbow disappear, and the world turns gray. A child finds a magical paintbrush that can bring back the colors, but only if they find where each color has gone.
Where did the colors go? Where did they hide? Red, blue, and yellow, they're nowhere to be spied. But I have a magic brush, let's look far and wide. Let's find the colors, let's take them on a ride. Red, red, so bright and sweet, look, it's an apple, a tasty treat. Blue, blue, floating so high, catch the balloon and bring back the sky. Yellow, yellow, shining so bright, bring the sunshine back, bring back the light. The colors are back, what a sight! Red, blue, and yellow shining so bright. Thank you, my friends, for helping today. Now the rainbow is back, hooray, hooray!